everybody, my name is Charisma and I'm here with Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. So today we're on Hollywood Boulevard asking some of your favorite curl friends questions about natural hair. This is our first ever episode of Curl Quiz, so let's find out what they know. What is shrinkage?
Shrinkage is when your hair most of the time is dries, and then it shrinks and curls up to its actual state.
In relation to hair, I don't know.
When your curl goes down, not really sure.
Oh, you have long hair, but when there's water, it goes like short.
Oh, this is when something goes small.
Draw a 3C curl with your finger.
It's about mine, so like.
I have no idea what a 3C curl is.
3C curl?
Yes. Curl.
What's a curl?
Like a curl pattern.
Oh, like this?
Is 4C tighter or looser than 3C curls?
Tighter.
Tighter brush, I guess.
Definitely looser.
Looser.
Tighter.
How many product lines does Aunt Jackie's have?
Ooh, I have no idea.
10?
A few.
Like 20.
Infinity.
Name one person on television with curly hair.
They all straighten them. I mean, like Taraji P. Henson sometimes.
Kerry Washington?
A lot of black people.
Like your natural hair.
You got 5 seconds left.
Okay, Mariah Carey?
Oh,
Mariah?
Carey.
Elaine on Seinfeld.
What is a pineapple?
Pineapple is when you slap your hair right on top of your head to sleep.
A fruit.
A fruit.
It's a fruit.
Gift of life. It's a fruit.
This is defined as your hair's ability to retain and absorb moisture.
I want to say retention, but I actually don't know.
Volume?
I don't know. Next question.
Yes.
You know what that is?
No.
5,
Wait, you're.
3,
Wait, hold on.
2, 1. What does the acronym LOC stand for?
Oh, I don't know that either.
I don't know.
Okay. Should you sleep with a silk or cotton
Oh,
scarf?
lock. I'm sorry.
Okay.
This is lock.
Okay. What does it stand for?
Dreadlocks, right?
Limited Liabilities Corporation?
Does it have to do with. Okay, oh, like locks?
Yes.
Loose old curls.
Should you sleep with a silk or cotton scarf to protect your hair?
For sure.
Which one?
Oh, silk. Sorry.
Silk.
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 Silk. It seems, I don't know, smoother.
And the last question is, we have a word that's scrambled up. It's 2 separate words, so we just need you to guess the word. The first one is E-G-D-E, and the second word is C-L-N-O-T-R.
Man, it's hard not looking at it. No, I don't know.
E.G. I don't know.
Jesus. I have no idea.
EGGLECOTNR.
Close.
Cologne.
EGDC, that's edges, edge.
Mm-hmm. And
Then-
what's the second word?
CL
NOTR.
CLNOTR.
Scramble.
Oh! Edge control?
Yes! All right. That was it. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.